Now I'll be showing how to do the Z graft. For this graft you need to cut the top of the branch where you need to graft at a sloping angle. Then you can give a cut from the top going downward, taking almost, making sure that the wood you take is exactly equal to the width of your scion. If they are equal in size, you can split the wood in the middle. If the scion is smaller in size, then just to give an example, you can take 1/3 off, leaving 2/3 behind. Just make sure that your cut is almost of the same size of the cut on your scion. Make about a 1.5 inch cut, and at the bottom of the cut it should be almost, give a cut at the same degree the cut which you gave at the top of this one, like another 30-degree cut, and then push the knife a bit below another about 1/4 inch. Now cut the scion at the same angle and match the length of the wood. It needs to go a bit further down. Up to here. Yeah, that will almost match it. And you can also give a cut in the scion and match both sides. Now put a bandage around. I will start it a bit lower than the end of the scion and keep going upward. Give another knot to make it extra secure. Cut the extra tape off. Cover the top with some wax. So that the top doesn't dry. Just keep pulling it gently and it will extend, sealing it from bottom to the top, making sure that it overlaps, every single turn overlaps the previous one, and that won't leave any gap. Right up to the top. That is sealed.